Hey everybody, it's Tony here, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you my CBC Kids Reads book pick. And this is called Thunder and the Noise Storms. This story is about a kid named Thunder, and Thunder doesn't like loud noises. The squeaking of the shoes in the gym, the loud sounds coming out of the music class, the noises on the school bus. He doesn't like them at all. But his Mosum, or his grandfather, teaches him to listen with wonder. I love that. It sounds like music to my ears. Listening with wonder helps you listen to the songs that the earth is making for us, like the breeze of the wind through the trees, or the splashing and burbling of the rivers. Mosum teaches Thunder that he can listen to his heartbeat anytime that the noises get too loud. I love that. Hey, how about we take a moment and take a big, deep breath and listen to our own heart song? Let's do it. My heart song has a really cool rhythm, kind of like boop, 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 boop. It's almost like I can beatbox to it. Boom, boom, chicka, boom, 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 chicka, boom, boom. What does your heart song sound like? Whoa, that is so cool. Want to beatbox together? Let's do it. Boom, 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 chicka, boom, 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 thunder, boom, 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 chicka, boom, 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 noises, boom, 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 chicka, chicka, wicka, wicka, wicka.